ekindi bamu azeko oba Kibuli oba si Kibuli ye president tugenda bibawa. But before we get there, Kizz Daniel yali wano on Saturday. Kizz Daniel omusajja oyo buga kekayima akabanyumira abakyala. So when he came to Uganda, he had a successful show. The next day he was meant to perform in Tanzania.
You're right.
Bwe yali agenda Tanzania for some reason okusinziira byatunyonyodde yalina dire mu nnyonyi
which is okay.
Ennyonyi ne waliwo engojeze ne zisigala mu nnyonyi ne bakulira ab'ennyonyi engoye zange n'eby'emeetaago papenga mu nnyonyi. So kati because of that omuvubuka ono n'atuuka late even n'atalinya na ku show abantu ne bamenya ebintu byewalabe wano ne bonoona ebintu. So bannakenya babadde basanyufu. Poliisi yakwata olunaku lw'ejjo yamukutte leero ne bamureleasing era leero akoze press conference. Tubaddeyo ne ndugu waffe eyo okutunnyonnyola abadde naye atunnyonnyole lwaki teyajja and kikyazaako kikyagenda okukolera bannansi Tanzania. Agambye agenda bongera show ey'obwereere ku Lwokutaano bali tebasaga. Katutandikira ku eyo emboozi sogompe nga bwe bibadde bitandika okuva bw'ataali nya bwe bamusiba ne byayogedde leero okunyonnyola ensonga ezo. Then we get back.
Okay.
I left the hotel at Uganda exactly 6 a.m. in the morning. I head straight to the airport, caught the flight, but unfortunately the airline delayed the flight like an hour in Uganda. On getting to Kenya, the connecting flight from Kenya to Dar es Salaam left. So we communicated this to the organizers, the promoters of the show, that this is the situation right now. As it is, we can't be, because we got to Nairobi 12 p.m., 12 noon. The flight got delayed, so we missed the connecting flight. What's the situation? Can we still make the show? Oh yes, and they confirmed to me that they can get the next available flight to Dar es Salaam. So I was in Nairobi, Kenya for 8 hours, by the way, because a lot of the flight got cancelled and got delayed that day. So we managed to stay in Nairobi for 8 hours. So unfortunately, getting to Dar es Salaam, we realized that the airlines forgot our bags in Nairobi, Kenya, along some of the equipment we'll be needing for the performance that night. We spoke to the airlines. They assured us that, okay, fine, we'll get the bags, we'll try and work how we can find the bags and get them across to you. So the organizer assured me that I can still be on stage by 3 a.m. in the morning. So I sent my band to the venue to get everything settled for the performance, to do the sound check, although I was supposed to be there. Unfortunately, they were rushed off the stage because the fans already are supposed to be in the venue. So the band came back with the bad news to the hotel. No problem, the show must go on. Coupled up with that, there were some unresolved issues between the agency back home and the promoter. Time was going, and then it was past the time for performance. And when we actually decided, when we actually came to an agreement that, okay, fine, let's do this for the fans, let's go on with the show. I don't mind, I'll wear my slides, I'll look this way, and I'll go for the show. The venue was already, the people were already going wild The fans were already going wild. And then I was advised to stay back. The law got involved due to the
vandalism.
Yeah, vandalism. So the police came by to my hotel, take me in for questioning. It wasn't an arrest, that, by the way. So they took me in for questioning. I sat down with Straight Up Vibes, my brother Montana, and I told him, you know what? The show must go on, regardless of the press out there, regardless of the news out there, regardless of whatever it is that is flying out around there. Let's make this happen. So we came to an agreement to put up a show on Friday. On Friday, yeah?
Is it this Friday or next Friday?
No, this one.
All right, cool.
This is Friday. And a free show, by the way. So I will be partnering with Straight Up Vibes to make that happen. And also, I must apologize to the fans. None of this was intentional. I love my job.
Kale, ye mukulu oyo nno Kizz Daniel olulimi lwakozesa lunyanyimbe so kuddiramu katono nnyo kwabo ababadde bawuliriza conversation eyo annyonnyodde nga bwe yali delayed by a flight nga bw'obimanyi waliwo yatuuka e Nairobi okulinnya emutwale Tanzania mu Nairobi n'amalamu essaawa 8 so ebyo byonna byamukosting okuba nti ali late for the show kati ate bw'atuuka e Tanzania kyali a bit late ng'alina emigugu gye yeerabidde ku airport olw'akavuyo ako ke bagirako so bw'atuuka mu hotel n'abagamba omanyi ndi late naye banakkiriza nyimbe ku ssaawa 9 saa 9 nga akkiriza yimbe ku 9 abantu balinze dda kati agenda okuba nga atuuka ku show ekyali ekawempa awo nabo ne kibatuukako. So the beauty is he has apologized and he has agambye ajja kubawa ekivulu ekirala that is on Friday. Now omanyi oba waliwo bantu be bayita aba olutwe is it nga gwe buli wabeera ekizibu gwobeerawo gwoyo buli wabeera ekizibu
nga gwe wabeera entalo gwayingirawo
noli ne wabanga abadde ayagala kuba mulala luyiru gwata gwe so I think this boy ayina that problem because according to research never promoters abenjawulo leero omulimu ba promoter okuva Nigeria ba promoter banyinyo bavuddeyo nga beekalakaasa nti omukulu ono ebyaddala alina okwetereeza kubanga this is not the first time he has been doing this obokiga tofunye ne promoter yabadde ategese ekivulu nti yatuuse ne yeegayirira omuvubuka n'agamba ebyengoye biveeko katugamba Shemista Styles and Fashion n'akuweereze ayina wano branchi oyambala ezo n'agamba nedda nyambala ze nazo bagamba sometimes you need to be said omusajja yaluzinze millions of money so naye tumufunye atunnyonnyole kikyazaako what is really happening and embeera eri etya ne bapromota abwebweru bamwogeddeko aba Nigeria banne katoka tufune reactions